If you've been looking for a brand new home here in Cedar City, Utah, but you don't want to pay for the custom home build price, then this is the home for you. You're going to want to stay till the end of this video. This home is brand new in Iron West subdivision here in Cedar City, Utah. It features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a beautiful 3-car garage, a 1/4 acre lot, and everything that you need to be comfortable but feel a little bit luxurious. Now let's go inside the home and check it out. Now, right as soon as you get into this house, you have this secluded entryway. You have beautiful lights over the top. Those are so nice, and they make it feel a lot nicer than just random lights. Besides that, you have some storage here, but it just opens up very nicely into our spacious, formal living room. Now, when it comes to a living room, you want it to be open, you want to have great flow, and this is exactly what this home gives you. Not only the flow, but you have a beautiful gas fireplace, wooded shelving right there, stone in the back of the fireplace. It just really makes everything pop. Besides that, you have room over there for a hutch or extra shelving, and 3 beautiful windows to provide plenty of natural lighting so that you have a very bright feeling home. Now let's go into the kitchen, because that is a key piece of what makes this home really shine. We talked about the living room, how it flows with everything else, and this just shows how nicely it flows. The kitchen has beautiful granite countertops. This isn't cheap stuff. This is beautiful granite countertops all throughout. You have beautiful cabinetry with a good cream color. It's not white, so it doesn't blind you, but it's luxurious and it's beautiful. You have gas appliances. This is an amazing gas stove. If you're wanting and loving to do cooking, this is going to be your best friend. But all new appliances, because this is a brand new home. I love that they changed the color under here to brown. It doesn't just make it all bright, it adds a lot of contrast. But this is a great island. It really fills out the space. Under here you can put bar stools, or you can keep it open so that people can just walk right up. This is perfect for simple living, but also amazing for entertaining. Now the rest of the home, just off of the kitchen and the living area, you have your pantry. That is super important. A large pantry right there for everything that you might need. Over here you have another full bathroom. That's going to be perfect for your guest rooms and your children's rooms that we're about to check out right now. So that is plenty big and plenty needed. Here we have the first bedroom, good sized. It can be used as an office, it can be used as a room. The possibilities are endless. Along with that, a very nice closet, plenty of room, plenty of shelving, really decent size for a room that is this big. So you have enough room in here to fit probably a queen size bed at max, but a full size would definitely feel comfortable. And then again over here, very similar. Except the unique thing about this room is that it has a lot bigger closet with its own separate door, which I really like. Most of the homes just have the same closet, but this one is a lot bigger than the other one. And let me point out all the rooms, beautiful ceiling fans with that light package. I really love that. Now, with a home like this, a huge benefit for you is this massive 3-car garage. A lot of the homes have this because it's so needed. You have plenty of room right here to have your cars, vehicles, toys, side-by-sides, but over here, this can literally just be for extra storage. You can use it however you need, and this is a huge bonus for a home size like this, because a lot of the needed amenities in this home is the space. Now, just off of the garage is this actually really good sized laundry room for this 1,600 square foot home. I love the sink, that's so nice for your laundry. Again, beautiful granite countertops, but what really makes it so spacious is over here. This is kind of like a mud room as well. So you can put your shoes down here, hooks for your backpacks, coats, extra shelving up here. This is where you want to go to not make the rest of your house dirty, but you want it in here to keep it clean. Put your shoes, put your clothes, everything can be in here and is separate from the rest of the house. Follow me into the master suite. In home size like this, the master is the key highlight of this home. You have plenty of room for your bed and your nightstands, but it's also not so big that you feel like you have too much room that you have to fill up. Now, attached to the master bedroom is the master bathroom. This is what really makes a master suite really pop. And here you have quartz countertops, double vanity, double mirrors, plenty of cabinet space here for all of your bathroom needs. But this isn't enough for a luxurious bathroom. Over here you have a wide, spacious walk-in closet, plenty of shelves, the railings for your hanging clothes. This is a great sized master closet. And on the other side of the bathroom, you have a completely walk-in shower with quartz lining the whole inside and plenty of privacy and openness. This is a luxurious bathroom for a luxurious home. Okay, now let's go to the backyard. This is one of the things I love about this house is right on the backyard, you have this awesome covered patio with a nice concrete slab right here. This is plenty of room to have your barbecue right here. You even have a gas hookup right there if needed. Patio furniture, just the place to kind of sit back, relax, enjoy the views of Cedar City. You have Cedar Mountain, you have Canara Mountain, beautiful right out your backyard. And the yard isn't finished, but with a little bit of money, you can get it finished. You do have a retaining wall right here, which is super nice. But there's so much possibility with what you can do with this 1/4 acre of a lot. So for the recap of this video, we've seen this awesome 1,600 square foot home here in Iron West. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, amazing finishes on the inside. Talked about the granite countertops. On the outside, you have beautiful stucco, stone, and it's steel siding. Not to mention the finishes like the fireplace, a very spacious laundry room, and a massive 3-car garage, and plenty of open living space that is luxurious but also tight-knit. Along with that, like I said, we're in Iron West. It is 10 minutes west of Cedar City, Utah. It is near Iron Springs Elementary School, and it is the boundaries of Cedar Middle School and Cedar High School that are 10 minutes into town. Thank you so much for watching today's video of this amazing home. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments about the subdivision, about this house. I'm happy to answer anything that you might want to know. But thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.